intervene, intervene, intervene. Mighty Jesus, Jehovah Elohim, Jehovah Shammah, Jehovah Elohim, intervene, 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 intervene. Mighty.
Sir, this one that your face is like this. I don't know, you have been moody since all this while. You get anywhere where I go feel help you. I know sir I be ordinary driver. But I can help, sir. In any way I can try my best to assist, sir. I don't like the way your face dey. You just dey moody, you just the verse, just the thing, sir.
Chukwuemeka,
Sir.
thank you very much for your concern.
Okay, sir.
You really observed well. You know, since your original madam died, since I married this new woman, it has been hell. And I can only tell you one thing. You, these young ones who are growing up,
Sir.
whenever you want to marry, be careful.
Yes, sir.
Do not marry because of any consideration whatsoever.
Okay, sir.
Think well, pray well, and then make sure that you are marrying for love.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Don't worry yourself. I will take care of myself. God bless you for your concern. Thank you.
Sir. You too, sir.
Thank you.
Rosemary, leave me, Joe. I dey vex from here. Like this man now, today na the anniversary I tell you, he never come back. He's in the office. Now let him dey work.
Madam, ah. This one, your eyes shining like the bright stars. How are you? Wow! After, oh yeah. This one, you're looking at me like this. Is everything okay?
James, why are you like this? Eh? Why have you decided not to improve? Even a little. Why?
What have I done again to you this afternoon, madam?
No, madam. So, James Wokonkwo. So you do not remember that today, our 5th anniversary. You do not remember?
Denied.
Is that supposed to be a nice way to welcome me back to my house after a hard day's walk? Okay? I'm so sorry. I came in here smiling, trying to admire you, and then you start harassing me. And this is all I have seen all these years. Anniversary.
Where is the gift? Where is the rose flower? Where is anything that you bought? Apart from your bag like you have witnessed. Hey! Eh? Are you not ashamed of yourself? Eh? Are you not ashamed of yourself? Some other men on the anniversary day like this, they will come home and prepared and take their wife to Chinese restaurant. You want me to give you to remind you.
And so what did you prepare for that anniversary?
Yes, I would. So, you want me to prepare something? When I know that you're taking me me to Chinese restaurant? Why would I prepare something? Eh? Want me to waste money? We are going to Chinese, so please. Mr. James, go in. Dress. Because I'm going into the restaurant. So that we can go to Chinese restaurant.
All I've seen in this house all these years.
Why did I marry him? Eh? Is it not because of money? Is it not because of that you'll be taking me to Chinese? You want me to come and prepare something on an anniversary? Why did I marry you? Is it not for you to be taking me to one Chinese to another? Is that not why I married you? You want me to go and prepare something when there is money for you to take me to Chinese?
No.
Stand up! What kind of thing is this? Eh? What did we discuss inside parlor now? I say go inside, dress up so that we can go out for Chinese restaurant and celebrate our wedding anniversary. And you're here sleeping. Under 5 minutes, you're snoring already. Eh? When have poor Gishina, I said I'm going a wicked woman. Eh? What is who? What did we discuss now? Eh? I said go inside and dress up. Go inside and dress up so that we can go out. We are going to Chinese restaurant. See me now. I don't dress. Eh? I thought you're dressed already. I didn't even know you're sleeping.
Oh, why are you terrorizing me? Why can't I have 1 minute rest in this house? Oh.
One minute rest. Eh? Why are you like this? See, come on. Small romance like this, you know your body. Eh? You're just an Igbo man that you are. Only money, business. Come on, small romance. Very romance. In Webo. Eh? We should have let's go to Chinese restaurant. Stand up! We're going to Chinese restaurant.
Come.
Stand up.
Just go.
5 minutes.
Oh. You can just sit alone.
Hey!
It's not working. No. Oh my God, you're hilarious.
Intervene. In China, intervene. In Nigeria, intervene.
Just leave me alone. Is that Chinese restaurant? I asked you to take me to Chinese restaurant. You take me to Igbo restaurant. Is that Chinese?
My Igbo think you are, but you chop loy.
What do you want me to eat now? Since I said take me to Chinese, you refuse. Don't talk to me.
Now why you could have go? Imagine the likeness.
Can you just imagine? Take me to Chinese restaurant on my our anniversary day. You take me to Igbo restaurant to go and eat akpu.
Chukwemeka, stop.
I know. You remember that first night here, me? Hey, this is what I want. Be romantic. Don't you? Yeah. That night was heavy, I know. Don't be crying. I understand.
Leave me alone.
What is it? Eh? The night I gave you back and front.
Keep quiet. Just as I was coming out from this gate, your father blocked me. And he said if I don't marry you, that is going to put me in jail for 5 years.
My own father?
Yes, I would have taken that option. Because today, I will be free from your troubles.
How can you say that? I'm a troublemaker. Me that is loving you.
Chukwemeka, just drop me in the house.
Oh my god, you're hilarious.